Happy day, children. Hope you are doing good. Today we are going to see chapter 6 geometry. In that exercise 6.4 closed figure, open figure, and what is triangle? Triangle having how many sides, vertex, angles, how many we can form, that we are going to see in this exercise, children. So are you all ready to see that? Today's topic: closed figures, open figures, polygons, triangles, and exercise 6.4 we are going to see in this topic, children. So the next we are moving to closed figure. A closed figure begins and ends at the same end point. Okay, so when you start drawing one shape, so you start at one point and end in the same point. That is called closed figure. There is no any gap. Okay, it may be a regular shape or irregular shape like this, but it's supposed to cover all the sides. Okay, so everything it's supposed to cover. That is called closed figure. So what is open figure? An open figure has end that do not meet. So you will start in one place and it will not meet the same starting place. It will end in different place. So there will be some open space in that shape. Okay. So it may be any figure. Okay. So can you able to see this example? This is called open figure example, children. Now we are moving to polygon. So what is polygon? A polygon is a closed plane figure with straight line that are line segments. Okay, so all supposed to be in a straight line and it's supposed to be closed all the sides. Then it is called polygon. A circle is an example of plane figure. So circle is also a plane figure that has no straight lines. In polygon, all supposed to be in a straight line. There is no any irregular shapes. Okay, curved shape should not be there in the polygon. So circle here we are having curved shapes, right? There is no any straight line. A circle is not a polygon because it has no straight sides. Okay, and this one is also not a polygon because it is not covered. Okay, all the sides it's supposed to be covered with the straight line. That is called polygon. So these are the polygons, children. All are straight line and fully covered. So see here, this is also the polygon. This arrow mark is also polygon. These are all the polygon and these are all not polygons. Okay. So here we are having curved shape. Here it is a open. So these are all the example for not polygons. Regular polygons. So these are all regular polygons. Regular polygon means what? Some shape. We have name for the shape: triangle, square, rectangle, like that. No, so some names will be there. Okay. Triangle. Now we are going to see triangle. It is a polygon. 3 sides and 3 angles are there in the triangle. Triangle is a polygon with 3 line segment and 3 vertex. It is also has 3 angles. So you all know what is vertex, what is line segment, what is angles. Can you able to see here? There were 3 lines. So this is called line segment and 3 vertex. Why it is vertex? Because all are meeting in one point, that is called vertex, and forming an angle. Yes. So here we have 3 line segment, vertex and angle. See here the line segment are AB, BC and CA. The vertex are ABC and the angles are angle ABC, angle BCA, angle CAB. Okay. The triangle ABC is written in triangle ABC. This is the symbol of triangle ABC. If you want to represent any angle, triangle, you can represent like this way. You can put small triangle and write ABC, then it represents that triangle. The symbol triangle stands for triangle. Okay, this symbol is for triangle. Now we are in exercise 6.4. Name the line segment, vertex and angles of the triangle given below. Okay, so here the triangle is there. Here the angle name is there. That is naming the angle is X, Y, Z. See the line segment, XY line segment, YZ is another line segment, and ZX is the another line segment, and the vertex are XYZ, and the angles are angle XYZ, angle YZX, angle ZXY. Hope you all understood what is closed figure. Closed figure means fully covered. Okay. It may be any shape. Even the curves can come in that. And open figure, there is some space, open space will be there. And then polygons. Polygons supposed to have fully straight lines, and it's supposed to be a closed figure. And triangle. Triangle means what? How many sides are there? And line segments and vertex, how to write that, everything we saw in this exercise, children. So you can also do this, complete this exercise 6.4 in your home, children. We'll see you in next video.